So, a friend of mine told me one certain time that apart from frying, there is no much to do with Irish potato. And I said to her, that is not true. And she asked me to prove it. So I decided that this month of February, I will be creating different recipe of Irish potato. And this is the first one on this month of February 2026. So guys, relax so that you will enjoy this video. Before we start, let me appreciate you all. Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video from Vivian Recipe. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. All we do here is cooking. I try to upload once in a week, every Friday precisely. For now, maybe much later, depends on how our days, how busy I am. I hope to be uploading twice a week. To all our returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you all so much. I love and I appreciate you all so much. I don't take you all for granted at all. Thank you. So without wasting more time, let's dive into it. So as you see first, I've sliced my chicken, okay? This recipe is very healthy. Anybody can have this. Whether for lunch, dinner, okay? You can do with it whatever you wish. And you can eat as many as you wish as well, because as you can see, this recipe, it contains chicken breast, it contains carrot, it contains cabbage and sweet potato. So you see that is a healthy recipe. So I started by slicing my chicken from the beginning as you saw, okay? So I've also chopped my carrot, I've chopped my cabbage as well. Now it's time to peel our Irish potato. So after peeling the Irish potato, I added some vegetable oil into my pot. So the next thing is to add our chicken breast that we slice. So I'm going to fry this for a few minutes. So this was few minutes later, so I decided to separate it and add another vegetable oil. This time around, we are going to start by frying our onions first. The next, I will be adding some garlic. Then I will also add some habanero pepper. So now I decide to bring the chicken breast that we already fried from the beginning. So I'm adding it to it. So I will just give that a stir. The next step would be to add our Irish potato. And I added some plantain, just a little plantain left over that I have at home. So I decided to add it to it. I just added some salt, seasoning powder, I'm adding soya sauce. So I just give that a stir before we add water. So I cover to cook, and this was few minutes later. So I'm going to add carrots and cabbage as well. I'll give it a stir. So this is a little bit of corn flour, okay? This is optional. You can skip it, you know, it's optional. So I'm going to cover for a few minutes more. So guys, this was a few minutes later, and I can tell you this look really delicious. It came out really nice. It came out nice. Let me know if you are going to try this. I will advise you to, because you are going to love it. It really came out nice, very delicious and yummy. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and remain blessed. Bye.